Simple maintenance could save you thousands of dollars. That's looking pretty good.
Thanks a lot, Captain Obvious.
$150 differential service could save you $2,000 to $3,000. We just did a minimum repair on that warranty claim Jeep, and it wasn't even doing the whole entire rear. New axles, new inners on the differential, no ring and pinion, no carrier, no pinion bearings, nothing. Near $3,000 worth of work. So, avoiding that by doing simple, affordable maintenance. Avoid bigger problems. There was somebody on my YouTube that said, just drive it. He called me the rip-off guy. The guy that, when we did the video about the BMW, the guy was saying that we're such a rip-off artist. The BMW that came in for charging system problems, the battery was dead, alternator was dead. The belt, Jude was able to rip the belt in half with his hands. Yeah. That's how dry rotted and decayed the belt was. And someone said, because I'm a rip-off artist. No, dude, my job is to make sure customers can avoid spending more money. Hey, Mr. Customer, you know your differential's leaking? Yeah, this is an affordable service versus replacing your rear end.
Which you just did on another Jeep.
Yeah, I just said that.
Same fill style plug as the one truck that I did.
Yeah.
The Ram truck. It's weird.
And what happens if you have a belt that's bad on today's cars, that everything's made of plastic, and that thing destroys the AC compressor, the plastic thermostat housing, the plastic radiator, the wire harnesses, over $100 or $200 belt or anything.
Like, tear everything, rip your rad hoses.
This is where I say you don't listen to the skanky mechanics and the guys out there who say just keep driving it until your wheels fall off. Like we just watched 2 people do that. Yes,
two people do that in the past week.
2 people in the last one day that they're driving till the wheels fall off. Yeah. It's so much more affordable to fix certain things before parts start letting go on your car. It is ridiculous. And the failure point here on this is the RTV, which is odd because I don't usually see that.
Well, it was like a clear silicone they used.
Look at this. So here's the problem.
they didn't even silicone the damn the point of view.
Why this differential cover service failed? It's because it wasn't prepped right.
No, Anthony, they went around and they used a clear silicone.
I get what you're saying, but look, there's still red on here, and then there's clear. Household clear silicone is okay. It's okay if it's prepped right. And then this is where his leak was coming through, right? That's not even good. This is what you get for when the cheap guy works on your car, or the guy at. Now, since they were going to Goodyear, I'm going to say this was done at the Goodyear, but it could have been done at the dealership. You can shrink that in our machine. Okay. Oh, look what Caleb's having fun with.
Some light up fake carbon tips. That are too small.
I think Rachel checked the Carfax, and this was done at the dealership.
640.
That's pretty shitty. That they didn't prep the diff cover properly, and they didn't prep the housing properly, and therefore the customers got a leak.
And there's me with.
And then look, this is almost the same setup as the other car that we just did. This vehicle has
way more miles.
I was gonna say,
yeah, way more mileage.
Rear, something written on the.
But the diff is bigger and holds more fluid, so you could service the idler gears and a gear set and pin in here without taking the ring gear off. I had to take the ring gear off the other differential to service all this. Yeah. But you know, these rings look good. This is non-LSD.
I want to know what that is down there.
That's a magnet. Ready? That's the magnet. I mean, you do get wear.
Yeah.
I want you to clean the magnet too.
Obviously. That's what
now, if this was done last year and the dealership did that, they didn't clean the magnet. That's a fact. That magnet was never cleaned. It's sad. It's sad what goes on out here for mechanics and technicians. And all I want to do is cars and save people from major problems.